Farmers, they have a tough time facing changes in technology and whatnot, and we like to be that bucket that funnels all this technical and complex information down to practical steps to enhance return and yield on their farming operation.
Primarily our offices are in Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina.
Family-owned business. Father, J.C. started the business in 1953.
Agriculture's gotten really technical over the years. Saw the need developing where we needed a collaboration space. You have to have that space where you can come together with your sales staff, your marketing staff, your technical people, and your clients and customers to solve problems.
The goal is to show them the new innovations, new technologies that are available in agriculture and how we can help them.
And we've always had the attitude that you've got to try to do something a little different than your competition.
We started with a blank shell here, and then Greg Arnett and myself were challenged with coming up with a plan to meet all those requirements. It's really a specialty type thing we were looking for. And Holt, they stepped up and wanted the challenge. They were very excited about working with us. So we took the next step and started going to the design phase. And I really think Holt listened to us well, and they understood what we were after. And when we saw at least the preliminary design, they won us over at that point. I think they really got what we were after and understood the space and understood our needs.
I walked around the space and it was still under development. You could tell that it was going to be an amazing space to come into for meetings or corporate gatherings.
Holt just came in and did all the finishing touches. The whole design is perfect, and this center really gives us that pop that allows us to showcase, what we can do, and we can have 70, 80 people in here and not feel crowded at all.
We can go to different areas or set it up for a different function or different type goal in mind. We can host about any type meeting we need to up here.
It's a place that you want to be, that you're proud to be in.
I really like that whole package of the way it integrates technology into a space and is very flexible. In Holt's world, they call it multimodal.
We can display the same video across all the screens. We can have independent inputs for each screen.
We may have an expert from halfway across the world that is relevant to what we're talking about that day. It's like you're interacting in the same room with him. Really, my favorite part, might be this drink cooler over here when I can get a soda pop out of it.
Awesome to work with Holt. They've done just a fantastic job.